Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a unique progress bar on your YouTube. So in here, I've already on my YouTube on the browser, and as you guys can see, the progress bar is here. This one's right here where you can see where the progress bar on your YouTube, the video that you're currently watching. So if you want to customize it with a unique progress bar, this is what you are going to do. First, you can go to the extension button in here, and then go to the manage extension and go to the Chrome web store. So what you need to do in here, just click on this search bar at the top, and then just find the custom progress. Okay, this one, custom progress bar for YouTube. You can click on it. So this is a YouTube extension where you can customize your progress bar on YouTube. You can see there are so many cute progress bar, customized progress bar that you can select it for your YouTube player. So in here, let's just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Let's just wait until it is installed or added to my Chrome in here. Okay, so now it has been successfully added into my Chrome, and now you can just tap on this install to Chrome. So after it has been successfully installed, you can just open your YouTube, and here click on this extension icon again and tap on the custom progress bar, and this will be open. You need to activate it. Now you can just choose the kind of progress bar that you want. There's the starter category, adventure time, and there's also game. Let's try the game. Let's try this Mario Super Mushroom. You can click on it. Let's repress it to see if it's work. Yeah, as you guys can see here, it is working. My progress are looking like a Mario Super Mushroom. Sorry, my internet is a little bit suck. So I think that's all. That's how you can use bar in here on YouTube player. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like